Earning money online has become a necessity for many of us out there. Even if you have a full-time job, having a side hustle is becoming the new normal these days. Today, in this video, we will be sharing a way through which you can earn money just by typing. Start making money from anywhere in the world. Most of the methods through which you can earn money online are usually restricted to some regions only. However, with this method, you can earn money anywhere and anytime. No investment is needed, which is like the biggest plus point here. With typing jobs, you will assume that you need some great typing skills there, but not with this one. Follow each and every step carefully, and you will be making bucks in no time. Get started with Motionden.com. This will be the main platform that will help you in making money and will be the very source through which you can get your creative juices flowing on. Over here, you can make high-quality professional videos just by typing in a single word. You won't need to show your camera, your voice, or anything of that sort for these videos, but would only need to type in a single word, and the website itself will make professional videos for you in just 60 seconds. Log into www.motionden.com. To sign up, head over to the Get Started red button on the top right corner of your screen. You can either sign up by creating a whole new account, or you can sign up directly through your Facebook or Google account, which is much easier as it saves a lot of time. The website brings magic for you, and we'll tell you all about that in a short while. Choose the template that matches your style. After signing up, Motionden will allow you to go through the many eye-catching templates which the site has to offer for your videos. You can make any type of videos on this website. Business videos, animated videos, ads, educational videos, fashion, and even YouTube videos. The website offers limitless opportunities for you. The video that will make you the most money. Making either intro or outro videos will make you around $25 to $30 per video. You can make videos on the different categories that are available on the website, but intro and outro are the ones that will allow you to make money quickly and are also the easiest ones to make. After choosing the template of your choice, you'll just have to click on Edit this video. Your template of choice will get displayed in front of you. Now let's get to the fun part. In the Your Text Here area, type in the word which you want your video to be about. After typing that in and clicking on Save, the website will automatically make a high-quality professional video for you. This is what we meant when we said that you can earn around $30 by just typing a single word. And also the magic that we were talking about, which the website will bring to you every time by just typing in a single word. Sell your videos and earn around $30 or more per video. After the website has created a high-quality professional intro or outro, just after you typed in one word, you'll have to wait a little while your video has been rendered by the website. After that's completed, the website will allow you to download your video. However, if you want to download the videos without the watermark, then you'll have to use the website in the upgrade mode. To enable the upgrade mode, you'll have to pay $9 per video. Now, this may sound like you'll experience some loss when you sell your videos, but if you sell your videos for $30 or more, then you'll definitely gain huge profits. Once you sell one intro or outro video, you can use that money to make more videos, and soon you'll be making more. So paying $9 per video will not seem like that much. If not per video, then you choose to pay $29 per month to use all the services of Motionden. Imagine making around $3,000 a month, but paying only $29 to not have the watermark on your intro and outro videos. Choose Freelancing website. Introducing Quicken gigs. This is an online freelancing service that allows you to search for freelancing jobs. Millions of people use this platform to earn money every single day. And it's not as competitive as other freelance websites like Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, People per Hour, giving you more chances to earn money fast. The website is filled with people who want to buy your services. And there are less people who want to sell their services, making the competition on the website really low, which is great for beginners who are looking for opportunities and gigs to gain experience. Quicken Gigs is a large online service and is partnered up with other great companies like Microsoft, Facebook, PayPal, Google, Discord, and Unity. You can make up to 100 or thousands of sales through these freelancing websites. After gaining some experience, you can definitely sell your videos for more money on Fiverr, Upwork, or any other freelancing site. Start selling. When you look into the intro and outro category on the freelancing site that you're selling your videos on, you'll see that there aren't many who are selling intro and outro videos. but there are people who are making money through this service. How much money per video you can earn really depends on the freelancing site that you've chosen to sell your videos on. High competitive freelancing sites like Fiverr or Upwork have people who sell intro and outro videos for great money. Don't stick to one site only for your freelancing services. Always have your options available for you and your videos, and put up your gigs on various freelancing sites to know which site works best for your videos and help you earn the most money. Establish your mark. After selling your services, make some trustworthy clients and become a top-rated seller on each one of these freelancing sites. Not every freelancing site is for everyone, and honestly, each one of these has different modes of working, and maybe some freelancing sites won't suit you or your style of working at all. Take your time and make your way around these freelancing websites to gain some good reviews and good ratings, so if anyone who's looking to buy some intro and outro videos can first go looking for you. Motionden provides limitless opportunities. We're all looking for that one source through which we can gain many inspirations from. Motionden.com, as mentioned before, provides many templates for a variety of videos. So after becoming a pro in intro and outro videos, definitely do try out making videos on other categories like banking, fashion, education, and whatnot. By typing in one word, the website does all the work, and you get to earn money for yourself through it. This method of earning is one that is a good side hustle, but has so much potential in it that it can definitely turn into a full-time work-from-home job. Millions of people are making money through this. Many people from all around the world have adopted this method and are earning a lot of money through this. After watching this video, you will not be able to find any more excuses for not looking for a side hustle job, as this method right here is by far the easiest and the fastest way to earn money online, and that too from the comfort of your own home. This way is also the one that will not make you get bored too easily, as with the innovative ideas and videos that Motionden creates, it allows you to be at the top of your work every time. So what are you waiting for? Try this out right now and tell us about your experiences right here in the comments. Who isn't trying to make money online from the comfort of their own home these days? Some people think it's not easy to make money online, but it actually is pretty simple. Watch this video till the very end to know how you can make around $585 every day. Yes, that's true. You can now make a maximum of $600 cash every day by following what we tell you in this video. No investment needed. Usually, when starting something out, you need to make some investments. This has been the way things have been from the very start. But with recent advancements, and with this method, no investment is needed at all. And you can literally do this from your smartphone or any other device. All you have to do first is download the Facebook Messenger app and make sure that you have an account on Facebook. It's free, and people all over the world are relying on it as their source to earn money by using this method. You can use a variety of methods to transact your money from, such as PayPal, bank transfer, Skrill, and much more. The most important thing is to follow each of the steps carefully, and you'll soon get a hang of how the whole system works.